guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. So as you guys can see right here, I have three lovely packages from Hermes, and I haven't really opened this one, and I don't know which one is which among all the items that I purchased, and I am so excited to share it with you guys what I got. So anyway, let me start with this tiny box right here. And yeah, this one is actually wrapped beautifully, nicely. And wow, I haven't seen this one. I don't know what this is, but let's find out. Okay. Okay. So this one is a notebook cover. So probably if you actually followed me on my YouTube, I am a fan of a notebook cover, especially from Hermes. I have several of these in my collection, and I am collecting all the colors that Hermes has. And pretty much this year they came out with a bunch of lovely colors. So anyway, this one is on the mini size, and it's in color rouge. So you guys can see right here. I'm gonna give you a closer look on this beauty. So it is a red color as usual. This one is actually came in with this glue de sal nut closure right here, and this one has a palladium hardware. It's like a palladium plated hardware. Once again, this piece is actually made up of Togo calfskin leather. I think all of, oh no, not all the notebook covers are made up of Togo. Majority of my notebook cover are made up of Togo leather. So you guys can see right there, the green is actually beautiful. Oh my gosh, I truly love the pebbling on this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the pebbling for this piece is actually so pronounced. So you guys can see right there. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. Love this color. And yeah, it is an agenda cover, and mind you guys that this one does not come with a refill. So when you purchase one of these cover, you can buy the refill separately, so it's not included. I think the refill for this mini, it's around $30. I'm not sure, maybe $30 for plain, and then $35 for lined. There were two refills to choose from, the lined and unlined, but usually I get the unlined one because you have the freedom to write anything there if you wanted to draw or do anything for that. So anyway, this is the first item, and love it. It says here Hermes Paris made in France. Wow, very soft and supple. For some reason, this particular leather seems to feel a little bit, it has weight to it. I don't know, for some reason. Maybe because of the hardware right here, or maybe because of the leather itself. But I'm actually feeling it right now that this one has weight to it. Okay, so this is the first item that I got. So moving on to the next item, I have, okay, let's do the smaller one here. Okay, so as usual with this packaging, and oh wow, I'm surprised. Okay, so this is another notebook cover once again, but this one is on the same size of the red. See, as you guys can see right there, it is exactly the same right here, But the only difference is that this is the Ulysses notebook cover, and this one is actually, they called this as a Neo mini notebook cover. And this one is in color gold. As you guys all know that the color gold in Hermès world is in brown color. Wow, this one is amazing. Love it. I love the detail for this. And yeah, this one is a little bit pricey compared to this, just the plain mini notebook. Okay, let's take a look at the detail of this piece. Once again, this one has the snap closure right here in a palladium plated on the inside. The inside looks like this, and the inside has this extra pocket right here on this side, and this is, I think this one is a credit card holder. Right there it says made in France. Wow, beautiful. Wow, I love the detail for this. Look at that stitching right there. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. So this one is actually priced as $480 US. That's before tax. Whereas this plain notebook right here, this is $195 US. It's a big difference. That's because this one has stitching right here, obviously. It has an extra leather here that it was actually folded if you wanted to use this pocket inside, and another stitching as well. Wow, the contrast for this, the gold color and the contrasting stitching, which is in white, actually complements this gold color. Actually, it's amazing. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Wow. I don't know if, I'm not sure if the $480 US justifies for this price, because you still have to pay for tax around, I probably paid around 525 something US for this. I'm not sure if it's worth it, but looking at it right now, it looks great. And I'm still not sure if the passport could fit in here, because I mean, at first I'm not really a fan of the Hermes notebook cover, because I cannot really, it's not very functional in the past. But later on, I realized that I could find a lot of uses in it. So it's just like a matter of like I was able to customize my notebook cover, and I love it so much. So anyway, wow, I still can't get over of how lovely this is, guys. Wow, very, very nice. Oh, the leather feels so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, you could actually, I was thinking if a card holder, just like a card holder, could fit in here. So if that fits in here, that would be great. I'm pretty sure that the credit cards fits in here. But I was thinking just the actual credit card holder would fit in here. If it could fit, then that would be awesome. It's definitely going to be worth $500 for this piece. Wow, it's gorgeous. So this is the comparison of this regular Ulysses notebook cover. This is the Ulysses, and this is the Neo. So it's also Ulysses, but it's a Neo and Ulysses mini cover. Wow. These two colors are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, moving on to the next item. So this is in a little bit of a larger box, and let's see what we have here. I was thinking what color this is, but I know it is a notebook cover. And we have, let's see what we have here. My gosh, I am like, I don't know what's happening to me. I keep buying a lot of this notebook cover. Okay, here she is. Okay, so we have another notebook cover, And this one is on, it's actually, it's a Ulysse notebook cover and a size PM. This is the mini, and then this is the PM, size PM. See the size difference right there? So this is the mini size, and then this is the PM, and then we have the MM. Okay, so this one is in this color capuchin, and I also think that this one is the iconic, this is actually has a resemblance of the Hermès iconic signature orange color, or the orange H, or just the classic orange color for Hermès. But it is not. This is in the color capuchin. Wow, the color is so vibrant for this piece. I love it. Once again, this one is actually has this palladium plated gluticel snap closure hardware as usual. They're all like the same. And okay, let's take a look at inside. Just like this. This is how it looks on the inside. Made in France. Wow. The color is stunning for this piece. And also, oh, I just love this Togo leather. Oh my goodness. This thing feels so soft, so supple, so smooth. Feels so luxurious. Wow. I love this so much, guys. Oh my goodness. So this one is priced as $255 US. That's before tax. So it is highly affordable, and I just find this useful, functional, and I enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. I probably have at least 8 or 9 in my collection. I have all the sizes except for the GM, and I will be adding more in my collection. I was looking for more color. I'm not sure on this fall or winter what would be the new colors, but I am loving and enjoying the beautiful pop of colors. Another thing that I didn't own for well, I didn't have black, and also I didn't have it in white. More likely the colors that I was looking for is likely the bright colors. I mean, white is also stunning, but it's very common. But I want something like another beautiful pop of colors. So yeah. So what I would usually do with this is just from time to time, I exchange it with my agenda. So I just switch them every single week. So whenever I have a time, I just really love to look at the color and just feel the beautiful, beautiful leather. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So this one actually constructed differently compared to the Neo. This one has glazing right here. Glazing right here. It was sealed on the glazing, whereas this one also has a glazing as well, but the additional stitching, actually the details makes it stunning. Wow, this is so beautiful, but it is pricey. So this one, the Ulysse mini notebook, this one is $195, just the plain one. This is $255. That's before tax. This is on the size PM. And then this is the Neo Ulysse. This is $480 US. So these are all the 3 items that I recently added on my notebook cover collection. Oh my gosh, they look so lovely. I just put it on the shelves just like this. All these lovely colors, and they are amazing. Oh my goodness. So anyway, that is for my unboxing for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.